Today I'm playing as Press the Button for Roblox. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Okay, now someone already pressed the button. Wait. Oh, the round already ended. Oh no, it's a storm. I need to survive. I think hiding behind here will make me survive. I think. Yeah, but if I go behind the log, I'm gonna fall. Okay, the storm ended. Get ready for spleef. Here we go. Go, go, go. I need to survive. However it takes. Oh no, no. Phew, phew, phew. Oh no, oh no. No. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. It's getting closer and closer to me. No, I died. Wait a minute. Was that my friend Jazz? Oh look, it's Jazz. Hi. Oh, let me just do something. Okay, now we've got to put out the fires. Where are the fires? Where are the fires? Wait. Okay, I need to put out the fires. Quick now! Oh no! Where are the there's a fire right up there! I need to be quick! It's very hard to put out the fires. I put 0? No! Get ready! Okay, get ready for what? Go on green! I think this is go on the colour pad. Oh no, I need to go onto the yellow pad. Oh no, no! I died. Now I can spectate from above. Okay, let me just spectate. See who's gonna lose. Oh look, a few people are up here. Oh look, see if it's my friend Jazz. Press the button, press the button. Oh no. Hurry, cross the bridge before it's too late. I need to cross the bridge before it's too late. No! I hope I respawned at the start of the bridge. I didn't. It looks like we're on a separate island to them. Okay. Looks like we have some winners. Whoa! We're big now! We're big giants. Let's jump! Let's go! Oh no, oh no, oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, I touched it. Now I'm floating on them. Let me just pretend I'm jumping. No, 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 no. Quick, 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 quick. No, I keep dying. Come on, let me put grapple hook. Nah. Jump. Ah, I should have jumped. Aliens. Well, no. Am I being sucked up into an alien ship? Oh no, I'm going to space. Here we go. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm not going there anymore. But I am gonna try and press the button. No, someone already pressed the button. Get to the other side. I bet this is gonna be easy. Well, I think. If I'm correct, I can balance on the ropes properly. Okay, no, I can't. I can press the button though. Let's press the button. Come on, let me press the button. Let me press the button. I want to press the button this time. Come on, let me press the button. Let me press. Yes, let's go. I pressed them. Oh, I didn't. Sophia. Where are the others? Oh, there they are. Enter the castle. Here we go. Into the castle we go. What's this? Oh no, it's ice. No, I fell into endless void. I think I'm gonna have to restart. I know, if I go this side. Yes. And then I go this side. No, not again! I'm like the only one who can't even make it. Okay, good so far. So far, so good. Oh no, I need to go here. Well. Almost there. Whoa. At this point, I don't think I'm ever gonna get to the other side. Go! Okay. I need to time this. Go. I oofed! I'm saying if you touch one of the cars, you're gonna die. So, time this correctly. No. Look, they're all at this other side. And yeah, I'm all the way at the start. Yeah, this is hard. Come on, let me press the button. Let's go! I think, go. Press the button. No, click the door. What is this?
Door!
What's this? Click the door.
Knock. Who's there? Knock. Who's there? Knock.
It's a knock.
Joke! That door!
That's just odd. What are Lego bricks doing here? Stop the incoming balls by touching them. Okay, this is gonna look odd, I think. Come on, touch. Wow! Touching them. Touch them! No, we lost! Did I press the button? Avoid the cube. Okay, we're avoiding the cube. It goes anywhere, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna survive if I stand on this rock. Okay. It's not coming close to me, so... No, it can go through rocks. It's coming toward me. Go! Run! Run! Let's go! I lost. Yeah, she pressed the button. Reach the end. Only one bridge is safe. It's not this one either. Okay. Only one bridge is safe. If only one bridge is safe, which bridge should we go on? It's not breaking. Good, I made it to the end. Here. Let's go! Did I make make it to the end? Yay, I make it to the end! Let's go! Get to the top, get to the top, get to the top! Get to the top, get to the top, get to the top! Okay, jumping on platforms. Jump, jump. Uh-oh. I need to somehow jump up there. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, doing good so far. Okay, so my friend left the game apparently. There are a bunch of people who made it to the top. No, I almost made it to the top. Click, click. Everyone escapes me. They all die. So I have a sword. Hee hee. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you all. As long as you try to survive me, you will still die. Okay, the chickens. People are surviving me. Oh, only a few people survived. Stay close to the light. Wherever the light goes, I'm gonna go with it. Okay, what is the light moving? Or is the light going to move? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, the room just became dark. People are running all directions. And I'm just standing here. Oh, 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 where's the light? Where's the light? The light! No, I died. Looks like my screen was quite frozen there. Okay guys, I'm right here. I'm underneath it. Getting ready to press the button. Wait, where is everybody? It's boxing. Yo, I won. I got you. Looks like I'm like a Grim Reaper or something like that. Where are those survivors? I will do whatever it takes to kill them. Okay, I'm heading this way. Seems like I don't see anyone. Hello? I'm friendly. Hey, wait. Did that guy just use a jetpack? Hey! I don't know. That's cheating. I'm probably going to save up the amount of coins I have to get a jet. I don't seem to see anyone. It's like everyone just suddenly disappeared. I see someone. No! The sun came! No! Press the button, press the button. No! Find the button? I hope I find the button. If I'm correct, the diameter of the button should have... Oh, I couldn't find it. Take cover under umbrellas. Okay, I'm under an umbrella. they are. Quick, survive. Do what it takes to survive. Okay, the umbrella disappeared. Okay, I'm not dying so far. Looks like everyone else is floating in the middle of the sky. Oh no, I think it's an acid rain. Go! My health is regenerating up very quickly. Okay. Yay! Okay. Let's go! I didn't press the button. Enter the castle, as it says so. Your wish is my command. Hey, I can't enter the castle. Why is everyone else staying there? Reach the end. Ah, this is like the devil's castle. Go quick! The lava can rise any minute now. Okay, doing good so far. Wait, let me wait for the lava to rise. When it goes down, I'm gonna strike. Okay. Almost there. Wait for the lava to rise. Again. Go down. Go! Yay! I made it. Okay guys, that was an awesome adventure. If you would like to watch more from me, click here. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to click the notification buttons. Bye!